Hello everyone, Sharon Otaguro with your June InSPAration newsletter. We just completed the Advanced Marketing Seminar in person where medical professionals from all over the US joined us to learn the latest AI marketing strategies. And one of those strategies that we shared was content marketing and its importance to your growth and profitability. You know, in the fast-paced world of medical spas, staying ahead of the curve with your marketing strategy, it is crucial. And with new technology like ChatGPT 4.0, creating compelling content has never been easier. This is how you can drive video and content. And we're going to show you how to leverage ChatGPT in creating the content that will lead more interested consumers to your treatments and products. So what is ChatGPT? Well, it's an advanced language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like content based on the prompts that you provide. It'll help you create a variety of content from social media, blog articles, videos, podcasts, and so much more. And the strategies that we shared during the Advanced Marketing Mastery Seminar, this is just one of those. But it is key. So let's talk this month about the 4 P's to using ChatGPT 4.0 successfully. And this is an InSPAration Management exclusive system. So of the 4 P's, number 1 is your profile. Creating a detailed profile is key to your customized content. So when using ChatGPT 4.0 for content creation, one of the steps is building a very detailed and accurate profile. And this is going to tell the AI about you and your medical spa. It ensures that the AI understands your business, your brand voice, your target market, your specific needs, and it leads to more relevant and high quality output for every piece of content you create. So here are the steps to building a medical spa profile in ChatGPT 4.0. Start by giving ChatGPT a comprehensive overview of your medical spa, and include details like your business name and location so that you can tailor specific content, the services that you offer, and list all the treatments. Then your target audience. Give the ChatGPT details about your ideal client's age, gender, interests, etc. Your unique selling position. Highlight what makes you different from all your competitors. Talk about your brand voice. Explain the tone and style of your communication, whether it's professional, friendly, using luxury language. And all these details help the ChatGPT tailor its content to match your brand and services. Number 2, prompts for best content. The second P of prompts is so important because it boosts the quality of your content, and it starts with how you set your GPT up. So be clear and specific to get the most accurate and relevant output. For example, you can say something like, Chat, act as a leading medical spa doctor in the Orlando area who wishes to write an article about cool sculpting. Include what is cool sculpting, how does it work, its benefits, and a case study of a happy client. Make the article about 1,000 words and make sure you use keywords relating to body contour and use the voice of a caring company who wants to help people improve their body contour and their appearance. Do it for the summer and include an offer and a call to action. So that's just one example, but the more detailed and clear you are with your prompts, the better your output will be. So learn to become a power prompter, and the key to succeeding with creating valuable medical spa content is being sure to target your market and make sure that they know, your ChatGPT, what benefits, what's going to be the value that they will gain from the information that you're providing. Number 3, proofread. This is essential before you publish any content. And while ChatGPT can generate high-quality content quickly, it's crucial for you to review or your marketing professional and edit the output to ensure it aligns perfectly with your voice and your message. So here's some key tips to make sure that you are auditing and proofreading your content. Number 1, check for accuracy. Ensure that the facts, statistics, and information provided are accurate and up to date. This is particularly important for medical spas where providing correct information is crucial. For example, if you generate a post about the benefits of Botox, verify the medical facts, the potential side effects, and the FDA approvals that are mentioned in the content. Also review the tone and the voice. Make sure it's consistent and it matches your brand. Whether you are using a professional or friendly or luxurious approach, be consistent with every piece of content and make sure that it reflects the same style. Always check your grammar and spelling and make sure that even those minor errors are going to be fixed, because that does detract from the professionalism of your content. Use tools like Grammarly and Hemingway for best results. Then check the content and the relevance. Make sure that your context in the content is appropriate and relevant to the audience that you're speaking to. Avoid jargon that your audience might not understand quite well, and make sure that the content addresses the needs and interest that is specific to that article. For example, if your content is about a new treatment, make sure it explains how it works in simple terms and why it's beneficial to your clients. And always check plagiarism. Run the content through a plagiarism checker to ensure it is original and not inadvertently copied from other sources. This helps maintain integrity and authenticity. And you can use tools like Copyscape or Turnitin to help. Provide your sources and references. This is going to help in terms of legitimacy and trustworthiness of your content, especially in claims, statistics, and quotes. So if you cite the benefits of a specific skincare ingredient, make sure to link to peer-reviewed studies or reputable health websites. Proofreading is a critical step in the content creation process, and it ensures that your medical spa material is accurate, professional, and aligned with your brand voice. So follow these essential steps and use the recommended tools so that you can enhance the quality, effectiveness, and consistency of your content. This is going to boost your credibility and your engagement. And the number 4, it's time to publish. So where you share your content is just as important as what you are sharing. Once you've reviewed and edited the content created with your ChatGPT, it's time to publish. So here's some key platforms that you may want to consider for each of your audiences. This is going to maximize your reach and impact. First is a website blog. Publishing content on your website is a great way to boost traffic and improve your SEO. Regularly updating your blog with informative and engaging posts can position your medical spa as an authority in the industry. Don't forget your social media platforms. Social media is essential for reaching a wider audience and engaging with potential clients. So different platforms cater to different demographics, and you need to tailor your content accordingly. Facebook is ideal for sharing detailed posts, promotions, client testimonials. So use Facebook and Facebook Live for interactive sessions. Instagram is better for visual content. So share your before and after photos, your treatment videos, and your stories. Use hashtags and collaborate with influencers to expand your reach. And then don't forget about LinkedIn. Use LinkedIn for professional updates, for sharing industry news and networking with other professionals. Post articles, and also don't forget to join other groups that are relevant for you. Finally, where to use your content that you're publishing is your newsletter. We talk about this so often, you guys, so make sure that you utilize email marketing. It's a direct way to reach your clients and keep them informed about your latest treatments, your latest offers, and all about your medical spa. Ensure that your emails are personalized and provide value to your reader, not just promotions. Also use YouTube. If you are a video content creator, YouTube is the place to be. It's an excellent platform for tutorials, treatment demonstrations, and even your testimonials. And it'll help you improve your SEO again. Most importantly, schedule and be consistent. Consistency is key to maintaining an engaged audience. So use scheduling tools and make it simple and easy for yourself. Hootsuite is great for scheduling and managing your social media. Buffer is good for planning and scheduling your posts across multiple social media platforms. And then MailChimp is one of many email marketing systems that you can use for your email campaigns. There are so many benefits to consistent content, messaging, and marketing for your medical spa. So produce and publish high quality content, and it can have a profound impact on your spa's performance and success. Just some of the benefits that you can expect is increased visibility, brand awareness, your SEO and online presence, your authority and expertise in the field. It'll boost your engagement, create higher conversion, higher retention, and your clients will better understand what they need to do at your medical spa. By the way, it's also cost effective. So I hope you have a commitment to now producing content consistently at high quality because you have ChatGPT 4.0 to leverage and make it simpler and better for you. So increase your visibility, establish your authority, and embrace the benefits of content marketing through AI technology. If you want to learn more about AI marketing, you can gain access to the on-demand version of our advanced marketing seminar. It is 2 days full of new content, resources, and tools, and it will help you generate more leads, higher conversion, and increase success for the rest of 2024. Regular content marketing is a powerful tool for growing your medical spa. So by consistently producing and publishing high quality content, you can increase your visibility, establish authority, engage clients, and ultimately drive more bookings and revenue. Enhance the benefits of content marketing and watch your medical spa thrive. And with the help of ChatGPT and a strategic approach to content creation, you can streamline the process and focus on delivering exceptional experiences to your clients. So start today and enjoy the transformative impact of effective content marketing on your success. Want to learn more about AI marketing? Gain access to the on-demand version of Advanced Marketing Seminar by clicking the link below. And if you need help, be sure to reserve a success planning session with one of our business advisors. Incorporate the AI marketing strategies, and until then, stay inspired.